morning, everyone. I, Mrs. Vinny Sharma, Assistant Professor and Program Coordinator for Virtual Nodal Center, Smart India Hackathon 2020, welcomes you all in the inaugural ceremony of Virtual Nodal Center, Galgotias University for Smart India Hackathon. It's our pleasure to have all of you here. Today is an historic day which marks the beginning of the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2020, SIH. SIH is a nodal initiative of Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. Smart India Hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide students with a platform to solve some of the pressing issues of our daily lives. Thus, to inoculate a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving. The first three editions of SIH, SIH 2017, SIH 2018, and SIH 2019 proved to be extremely successful in promoting innovation of out-of-the-box thinking in young minds, especially the engineering students from all across the country. Our chief guest is the co-founder of 5F World One Kazoom and is an alumni of Harvard Business School and has a unique 5F approach of working. I thank Dr. Ganesh Natarajan for graciously accepting our invitation for today's ceremony. Thank you, sir, for joining us here today. We also have amongst us our Honorable CEO, sir, Mr. Dhruv Galgotia, and our Honorable VC ma'am, Professor Dr. Preeti Bajaj. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us today.
Thank you, Vinny. So, Ganesh, welcome to Galgotias. It's my pride privilege to introduce Ganesh, long-time acquaintance, friend, mentor, to whom I closely follow. As Vinny has said, so Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, co-founder 5F World, I called him and I thank him for accepting our invitation, and that too short time. So the whole world is online. So the acceptance and invitation all was online itself. And he was kind enough to accept in spite of his busy schedule. Key mission which is being identified by Honorable Prime Minister, that yes, young students, the age is no bar, their education is no bar, but they can also participate in nation building. They can identify and solve the live problems which are being faced by the ministries. We have been given the problem statements from MP government. And tomorrow, in fact, the DGP himself is involved in identification of problem and then how the solutions are going to be. So none other than, when you have nurtured the startups, one who is involved in supporting the startups, he is there to motivate the students at inaugural. So welcome, Ganesh, once again on behalf of university, my personal behalf. And before I invite you for your keynote, I would like to thank AICTE, Dr. Sahasrabuddhe, Dr. Abhay Jere, Dr. Mohit, Mr. Ajay, Sachin, and the complete team of MHRD and MIC who have given us opportunity to host this Smart India Hackathon Grand Finale.
Thank you very much, and a very good morning to all of you. And I am indebted to Dr. Preeti Bajaj, whom I know from her previous avatar in Nagpur. And it has been wonderful to watch her career and to see, I'm sure all of you in Galgotias are blessed that you have such a strong academic leader to lead your community and to take you forward. Also, thank you to the founders of Galgotia University. I think what you're doing for the country, especially with this hackathon, is clearly something that is going to be good for not only the Galgotia students, but for students around the country, around the world, which is excellent. I believe that what we are doing in India is quite path-breaking because the kind of progress we are making in digital is unparalleled. So I think jobs of the future will be through platforms, will be through completely new areas, and especially the students participating in this and the members of the faculty will have to be very conscious that things will change very, very fast, and we have to be prepared for those new jobs. And last but not the least is high quality education. I think we're all delighted with the new education policy that was announced 2 days ago. It opens up a plethora of opportunities for Galgotia, for other national global universities. It opens up the opportunities for students to really do a liberal arts kind of education where they can learn multiple skills as they go along, which is what is required for the future. So again, let me conclude by saying I'm truly delighted to be here, and thank you, Preeti, for inviting me. And it's always exciting to see young students from Galgotia, from all over the country, making change happen on a very rapid manner. And our future belongs to all of you. And if you can come up with great ideas, if you can participate in the execution of those ideas, we will truly build not only digital India, but the India of our dreams. So thank you very much, and all the very best for this event and for your careers in future.
Now I request our meticulous planner, Professor Dr. Sansar Singh Chauhan, SPOC, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir?
Thank you, ma'am. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks at this inaugural session of the Smart India Hackathon 2020, hosted by Virtual Nodal Center, Galgotia University. I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor, Sir, Mr. Sunil Galgotia, for providing us a platform to put our effort into action. I would like to extend my gratitude towards our Honorable CEO, Sir, Mr. Dhruv Galgotia, for his constant guidance and support. My earnest thank is for our beloved Vice Chancellor, Ma'am, Professor Dr. Preeti Bajaj, for her constant guidance, support, and input. Ma'am, without them, the success of the event would not have been this huge. My heartfelt thanks goes to our chief guest, Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, co-founder, 5F Ward 1, to grace the occasion. Thank you, sir. Your word of wisdom and encouragement will surely boost up the confidence and morale of our young participants. I am highly obliged to Professor Dr. Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman AICT, for believing in us and granting this opportunity. My heartful gratitude for Dr. Abhay Jera, Chief Innovation Officer, MHRD, Innovation Cell, for creating a healthy, competitive platform for the young innovators to compete. I'm also thankful to Dr. Mohit Gambhir, Director, MHRD, Innovation Cell, for his visionary idea of Smart India Hackathon 2020, which has brought together the higher education institutes and the young innovative participants. My wholehearted thanks to Mr. Ajay Singh Rajawat, Startup Fellow, MHRD, for his constant support and for being a round-the-clock guiding support for our team. I extend my thanks towards Ms. Varsha Sharma, who helped to check that we are moving in the right direction. I extend my thanks to Mr. Parthish Patwardhan, SPOC MIC, to update us time to time all the updates which was given by the MHRD. We are highly obliged to Mr. Sachin Gaur from MIC for taking the time to conduct the valuable and instructive webinar throughout the preparation session. Sir, your hard work has now become a sweetened fruit in the form of SIS 2020 event. Thank you, sir. I convey my sincere thanks to the team of very motivated and dedicated fraternity member of the Galgotias University who knew their job and are result oriented. It's their hard work which has made this event a success. Thank you all. I would also like to thank people who give administrative and technical support. And lastly, I would like to thank all the participants of the event and wish them all a best of luck for the next 3 days. Dear participants, competition is always a good thing. It forces us to do our best. In this word, I once again wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.